We're back here in the workshop again, and I've had a bit of an exciting little afternoon because everything has literally come at once. The Airtec, intercooler, Malian exhaust, the caps for the handles and the petrol cap, literally everything is going to be sick. The V5 came and I changed my number plate to put my private plate on it, so that's going to go on now as well. It's literally going to be nearly there. The only thing I'm waiting for now is the black grille for the front. Other than that, everything's here. Boom. Yeah. Malian exhaust. Airtec intercooler. What do I do first? I might start from easy. I might start with the caps, because I literally just stick them on. And then intercooler and exhaust. Oh, also wiper deletes here too. Everything. Let's get to it. Wrong day ahead. Airtec Motorsports. What are you saying? I'm opening this the wrong way. But hey. Packaging, packaging. Packaging. Here we are. Airtec. I'm so excited. I am excited. Oh my life, got me open this up without scratching it. Hoping these are fitting instructions because I have no idea. It looks kind of simple, but looks like fitting instructions. But let's get this out for you. Look how fresh that looks. Gonna go so. Okay, first thing first, you need to remove the air scoop. So 2 screws, 2 bolts, got a screwdriver and an 8mm for the bolts. Let's get them done. One bolt. Two bolt. 2 screws. 1 screw. It just slides out. Super easy. Done. Okay, next it says remove intercooler and all the brackets. So I've got a Torx 30 screw here. I'm just going to literally, remove all the brackets like it says to do. Let's do it. Keep hold of these nuts as well, don't let these go, because you need these. Just loosened off these 4 to get this facing off. That will then show you another 4 here. So these 4 are loose, got to do these 4 and then it should pop out. But that's the facing plate you need to kind of take off to get to these 2. Well, these 4 bolts. Cool. Okay, so I've got the 4 clamps loosened up. So we'll take these off. I'll try not to get these mixed up. So 2 for the right, which I'll put somewhere. 2 for the right. 2 for the left. 2 for the left. Alright, so the standard intercooler's off. Just going to get everything all wiped down. And then we'll put the new one on. so I'll be back in a second. So I ordered the purple Pro hoses to go with my purple car, and the purple intercooler. Cool. So I think they just pop on like that. Get on there. Okay, this should just slip in now. With a bit of wiggling. There. What are these doing? What do these do? Remove sand into pull out. Okay, I think I have to take these brackets off from what the instructions say, so let's do that. Hoping it's the same size. Yes, it is. Legends. Not gonna lie, guys, this was the hardest thing I've ever had to install. My hands are in bits. These hoses, mate, they do not fucking bend for anything. I'm just going around tightening everything back up, so I've literally had to take it off and on so many times now because I keep forgetting bits. But if you ever go to install one of these, there is 2 existing brackets you need to take off down here and 2 existing brackets you need to take off up here that don't look like they need to be taken off. So these 2 up here I forgot, put it all together. It took me ages, and yeah, it didn't fit right, so I had to take it all back off and take them 2 off and do it again. So here I am about 3 hours later, finally think I've finished. Just tightening up the bolts. Yeah, Airtec intercooler, hopefully it's worth it. You!